Welcome one, welcome all. This is Lee Murray, and today I have something incredibly powerful for you, incredibly real for you. Okay, if you're tired of having your focus diverted, if you're tired of having your focus diverted by all of these shiny objects claiming that you can get 30-second traffic from 1,000 different sources and super easy, you just spam all these links with your squeeze page, whatever, it's all nonsense. You'll never make a penny that way. Trust me, I've been around for 13 years. I've been around for 45 years, but I've been in the online market for 13 years. I've been doing this full time since 2013. And as a matter of fact, May of 2013, or was it March? One of those M months of 2013. And so it has been 8 years. So I haven't had a job in 8 years. I've been doing this full time, and I've done it exclusively with email marketing. Okay? And so all you need is really a basic 3-step formula. You need to grow an audience. You need to provide them with great content. And you need to make sure that that content is monetized so that you can get rich. Okay? And then you just keep on building that audience. The bigger your audience is and the more content you have and the more monetized your content is, the more money you're going to make long term. And so today we're talking about ClickBank. ClickBank products, and more specifically promoting ClickBank products as an affiliate. Okay? What we need is to promote these products via really good content to a very large audience. Okay? The formula doesn't change. Now, all of these shiny objects are going to try to get you to change the formula. Don't let them. Today, what I'm giving you is a lead capture system that promotes a ClickBank product. Okay? We're talking about the 10 hottest products in the eBiz and e-marketing category of ClickBank. These are evergreen. They're going to be around for a long time to come, and they all have high gravities, which means a lot of people are making sales with them. They are viable, good, high converting offers. We're promoting 10 of them via 3 emails each, and I'm giving you all 30 of those emails today. In addition to that lead capture system, you're getting those 30 emails, and then I'm giving you full setup and traffic training. All of that for under $13. Now hear me loud and clear. If I were writing emails for you directly, I would charge you $25 per email. $25 per email, no exceptions. That is $750 you would be paying me for these emails. And that wouldn't include the lead capture system or any kind of training. Okay, but today you're getting a full lead capture system and full training, plus these brilliant, if you don't mind my saying so, this 30-day email follow-up series. You load it into your autoresponder once, and it continues to make you a profit for years. If just one of these emails promoting just one of these products were to hit for you and even make you one sale, you're going to make more than today's investment back. But my goal for you is to have lots, if not all, of these emails making you sales on a daily basis. All of them making you multiple sales on a daily basis. Okay? That will set you free. And that's what I want for you. That's what I'm providing for you today. This, my friend, is no shiny object. This is the ClickBank kit, and you can order it using the button below. Do it now while it's still available and while it's still so freaking cheap. Okay? Thanks for being here. I'll see you on the inside. Go there now. Grab this now. It'll change your life.